At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a heavy equipment business can be a lucrative venture, but it requires careful planning and execution due to the substantial investment involved. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Begin by researching the heavy equipment industry in your area. Understand the demand for various types of equipment, existing competitors, pricing, and potential customers. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your business goals, target market, services offered, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. This will serve as a roadmap for your business. 3. Legal structure and registration. Choose a suitable legal structure for your business, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, or LLC, and register your business with the appropriate authorities. Obtain any necessary licenses and permits required to operate a heavy equipment business in your locality. 4. Financing. Determine the amount of capital required to start and operate your business. Explore financing options such as loans, investors, or personal savings. Consider leasing or financing the equipment rather than purchasing outright to conserve capital. 5. Equipment acquisition. Acquire the necessary heavy equipment for your business. Research different manufacturers and suppliers to find reliable and high-quality equipment at competitive prices. Consider factors such as warranty, maintenance support, and resale value. 6. Insurance. Obtain insurance coverage for your heavy equipment, business premises, and liability protection. This may include general liability insurance, equipment insurance, and workers' compensation insurance, depending on your specific needs. 7. Location. Depending on the size and scope of your business, you may need a physical location for office space, equipment storage, and maintenance facilities. Choose a location that is easily accessible to your target market and complies with zoning regulations. 8. Marketing and branding. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your heavy equipment business. This may include creating a professional website, attending industry trade shows, networking with contractors and construction companies, and advertising through online and offline channels. 9. Staffing. Hire qualified employees to operate and maintain your heavy equipment, as well as administrative staff to handle day-to-day operations, customer inquiries, and bookkeeping tasks. Invest in training programs to ensure safety and proficiency among your workforce. 10. Compliance and safety. Familiarize yourself with industry regulations and safety standards governing the operation of heavy equipment. Implement strict safety protocols and provide ongoing training to ensure compliance and minimize the risk of accidents or injuries. 11. Customer service. Focus on providing exceptional customer service to build long-term relationships with clients and generate repeat business. Promptly address any issues or concerns raised by customers and strive to exceed their expectations in terms of reliability, efficiency, and professionalism. 12. Continuous improvement. Stay abreast of industry trends, technological advancements, and customer preferences to remain competitive in the heavy equipment market. Continuously evaluate and optimize your business processes to maximize efficiency and profitability. Starting a heavy equipment business requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to overcome challenges along the way. With careful planning and execution, you can build a successful and sustainable business in this thriving industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.